Pronunciation. Okay. Sound. Now we will check the pronunciation. Pronunciation. What do you mean by pronunciation? Now listen carefully. Second thing means pronunciation. Learning new words. We need to learn how do we pronounce them correctly. Okay, let's check the pronunciation. Who is having mic? Unbelievably.
Unbelievably.
Loudly.
Unbelievably.
Bali. Not bali, not bli. Sit down. Sit down. Yes.
Unbelievably.
Believably. Sit down. Yes.
Unbelievably.
Believably. Yes.
Unbelievably.
80% correct. Yes.
Unbelievably.
Speak
Unbelievably.
loudly.
Unbelievably.
Yes, clap for her. Come. Slowly. Come here. Speak. You go there now.
Unbelievably.
Let's clap for her. Sit down. So, go there. Improving our word power. As we learn new words in English language, second thing is that we must learn how to pronounce them correctly. Why? Because if we want to talk to someone, finally if we need to talk to someone in English language, but we don't know how to pronounce words, then we won't be able to talk. Like he is telling unbelievably. And people will say, what are you saying? What's this? Okay. Maybe for example, Shubham Gill, double century, unbelievably. What is that? Unbelievably. Yeah, what is that? Speak. Unbelievably. No. What is the second thing? If we don't have correct pronunciation, it will lead us into miscommunication. Did you understand? If we don't have correct pronunciation, that means if we don't learn how to pronounce words correctly, it will lead into miscommunication. People will not be able to understand us. Did you get it now?
Yes, sir.
For example, what is G-O-O-D?
Good.
What is this? Good. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is F-O-O-D? Food. If G-O-O-D is good, then F-O-O-D, why it is not food? What is that? Okay. Now, if D-O, what is D-O? Do. If D-O is do, then why G-O is not go? What is G-O? Go. What is G-O? Go. This is called pronunciation. What is this?
Pronunciation.
So, first of all, learning new words. Secondly, learning pronunciation. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is your name?
Aishwarya.
Aishwarya has shown the very good exact pronunciation. We will try few more words with her. Let's see will she will be able do or not. Okay? So we will try few more words with her pronunciation, whether she will be able to do it or not. Very simple. Maybe I may try in between to confuse her. Now you have to speak singular,
Singular.
plural,
Plural.
plural or plural. What is that?
Plural.
What is that?
Plural.
Loudly.
Plural.
Singular,
Plural.
plural, plural. What is that?
Plural.
Stand. What is that? What is that? Plural. Very good. Sit down. Singular,
Plural.
plural. Okay. So 5 times. Singular, plural, plural, singular, singular, plural, plural, singular. Speak.
Singular, plural, plural, singular.
Wait. Listen. Listener, speak.
Singular, plural, plural, singular, singular, plural, plural, singular, singular, plural, plural, singular, singular, plural, plural.
Very good. Excellent job. So this is called the pronunciation. How to pronounce words clearly. Okay. Last one for you is called most probably.
Most probably.
Loudly.
Most probably.
Most probably.
Most probably.
This and that and that and this. Speak loudly. This and that and that and this.
This and that.
Okay, so she has shown the good pronunciation. So what is our second thing?
Pronunciation.
What is the first thing? Yeah. First thing is the word power and second thing is the pronunciation. As you learn new words, you need to make sure that how to pronounce them. Why? If you don't pronounce them correctly, the chances are that our communication can lead people into miscommunication. People won't be able to understand. Did you understand it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sit down. Aishwarya, sit down now.